In any survival situation, there are three things you can't live without: shelter, water, and a way to be found. What if I told you that one piece of gear is the key to all three? Today, we're not just showing you tarp tricks, we're showing you a complete survival system. Let's begin. When disaster strikes, your first enemy is the elements. A heavy-duty tarp is your first line of defense. The danger. The ground is cold and wet. It constantly steals your body heat. This is called conduction, and it can lead to hypothermia. The common mistake. Laying your tarp flat. When it rains, the exposed edges catch water and channel it directly underneath you. When you need reliable shelter fast, the A-frame is a classic for a reason. It's strong, simple, and weather-resistant. It all starts with a taut ridgeline. Once you're protected, your next priority is resources. Your tarp now goes from defense to offense. The correct solution. This is a passive water collection system. The non-porous surface of the heavy-duty tarp allows you to capture rainwater. It's a simple, low-effort way to secure your most vital resource. In a survival situation, fire is life, but wet wood is useless. That's why your tarp is crucial for creating a dry resource cache. When you cover the pile, here's the critical step. Leave a gap at the bottom for airflow. Don't seal it tight. Sealing it completely will only trap moisture and condensation. Constant airflow is what actually dries the wood out, ensuring you have a reliable fuel source ready to burn when you need it most. You're sheltered and have water. Now, you need to be seen. A brightly colored tarp is one of the best signaling tools you have. In a critical emergency, your tarp is a stretcher. Start by laying it flat and placing two sturdy poles about shoulder width apart. You now have a strong, secure platform to transport an injured person to safety. Shelter, water, resources, and rescue, all from one durable sheet of polyethylene. Choosing the right gear is critical. To cut through the noise, the link in the description goes straight to our heavy-duty collection. These are the tarps actually built to withstand the abuse we've demonstrated. It's the right tool for the job, no guesswork required. Our goal is to provide clear, practical knowledge that could make a real difference. If you support that mission, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's the best way to ensure you don't miss our future guides. Stay prepared.